Hello guys, a hearty welcome to all my dear students and friends. Today we shall be discussing about the topic factorial. So a factorial is represented by two symbols. So if we consider the factorial of n, so we represent n factorial as n factorial or n factorial. To understand it, let us read the definition or understand the definition first. The factorial of a number. So what is a factorial of a number? It is nothing but the product of a given positive integer multiplied with lesser positive integers till 1. So students, what is a factorial? It is nothing but the product of a given positive integer multiplied with all the lesser positive integers till 1. So if we consider n, so if n is a given positive integers, then what is its factorial? What is its definition? It is nothing but the product of a given positive integer. So given positive integer is n and this is multiplied with lesser positive integers. So lesser positive integers of n are n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on till 1. So product of given positive integers by lesser positive integers till 1. So if we consider 5, to find the factorial of a number 5, what is the factorial of 5? So 5 is the given positive integer and the lesser positive integers are 4, 3, 2 and 1, and we multiply the result and that would be the factorial of 5. So and also we need to know that the factorial of a negative number is not defined. It is not defined. We cannot find the factorial of a negative number. So friends, do you know the factorial of 0 is equal to 1? The factorial of 0 is equal to 1. So we can prove the result. So let us prove the result. To start with, we find the factorial of 5 first and divided it by 5. So factorial of 5 would be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5. This would be 4 factorial. So what is 4 factorial equal to? 4 factorial is equal to factorial 5 upon 5. Similarly, we find the factorial of 4. So what is 4 factorial equal to? 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And when we divide this factorial 4 by 4, we divide it by 4, we get 3 factorial because 4 and 4 gets cancelled and this is nothing but 3 factorial. So what is 3 factorial equal to? 3 factorial is equal to 4 factorial upon 4 and so on. If we follow this pattern, we can write 4 factorial to be equal to 5 factorial upon 5 and 3 factorial equal to 4 factorial upon 4 and 2 factorial equal to 3 factorial upon 3 and similarly 1 factorial to be equal to 2 factorial upon 2. So next, what would be the number? It is nothing but 0 factorial. So 0 factorial would be equal to 1 factorial upon 1. And what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is 1. 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So 0 factorial is equal to 1. So thus we prove the result that the value of 0 factorial is equal to 1. Thank you very much students and friends. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.